Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular stall designing over here. Let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll slightly shuffle this a bit down, convert to editable poly. Let's go into this edges, select the polygons over here, and we'll just extrude it down over here. After that it is done, I can just go over here, I'll again take a line over here. I'll just take a line and go into this radial, reduce it, increase its thickness over here, and let's just duplicate that over here. So select this select this whole thing, and let's just go to the top view and copy this till here. And slightly push it to the center if required. So I'll just select this again, slightly push this to the center, go into the vertices, just shift this up. After that, can put some lights over here. So already we have the copy of this. So let's just duplicate that. Keep this over here. Select this. And duplicate it. So as many duplicates you want, you can make that many duplicates of it. I'll select this, I'll make a copy of it. Let's go into the top view. So slightly shift it back, select this, again make a copy of it, make a duplicate of that, just select this whole thing and I'll just give a color to it. So now if you just zoom it, we can see there are some couches, the basic couches. We can model this couches over here. So let's go into this extended primitives. Let's take a chamfer box over here. So let's just take a chamfer box, press shift and drag it up, reduce its height over here. So I'll just scale it, shuffle it over here, I'll just duplicate it again, convert to editable poly, slightly go into the vertices, slightly just shift this up, select the vertices, and scale it, rotate it, shift this up, just duplicate that, so select this whole thing again and mirror it in this axis over here. And we have a small table over here, so let's go again into the, the standard primitives. Take a cylinder, slightly shuffle this up and increase its size, reduce its height segments, convert to editable poly. So select this polygons, control and click on the edge, and let's give a bit of chamfer. Again, take a line tool over here. So select this, reduce its thickness and slightly I'll rotate it a bit, mirror it in y-axis, again select this, and duplicate it in x-axis. Let's shuffle this till here. Now I can go over here and take a box for this LED. Save your file. Let's go into AutoGrid. Take a box. Isolate selection. Convert to editable poly. Let's put some edge loops over here. After that, select the polygons and let's just bevel it a bit, and let's click OK. Let's just take a swift loop over here. So select these polygons again, and if you want, you can slightly just extrude it down and isolate it. So select the polygons over here. Select the polygons. And slightly give a bit of insert and click OK. Just scale it and push this up. Save your file again. So you can create this flower pots also. So let's just take a line tool, enable in viewport, I'll off that. Select this and let's give a bit of fillet, and let's give a lathe modifier. So you can so you can just go into this line and give a refine. So if you want, you can slightly shuffle this inside. You can make it using a cylinder also, not a problem, or a cone, anything you can use. Just keep that over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.